Hey y'all, this is Mama D. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this look with everything from one brand, which is the LA Colors brand, which most of it you can find it at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, tell me what you think of this look. Tell me if you would try it, and if you would like, please like and subscribe so you won't miss any other of my videos or Kai's videos. Thank you guys for being here, and let's get on with the tutorial. And this right here is like super duper old, but I still have some, and it's the LA Colors Sugar Lip Scrub, and it's basically the same thing as the e.l.f. Sugar Scrub. Got this from the Dollar Tree a while ago, so I'll put this on first, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows with this LA Color eyebrow pencil, and it has a little spoolie in the end. And as you can tell, it's very well loved because it's super tiny. This is like my fourth pencil. And I have no eyebrows. It's tattooed on, so I really have to draw them on. Oops, sorry, I got ahead of myself. But yeah, this is the eyebrows with the pencil. And then I'm just going to seal them with this brow powder right here. I like to put this one, the clear one, like right at the beginning, and then the other one I just continue with it and mix it in a little bit. And there you have it. Those are the brows. And then for the foundation, I'm going to use this LA Color Truly Matte Longwear foundation. This is like my probably third bottle that I've used from LA Colors. They have this one, this liquid makeup, at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Do not get it. LA Colors, like, I swear, why can't you put this formula into this little bottle? Like, because this one sucks butt. But $1.25 is not worth the $1.25. But this one is worth your $4 that you're spending. A little bit cheaper than the Wet n Wild, and it performs just as good, and I love it. And there you have it. Please excuse the color, it is way too dark for me. This is soft beige, and it's like at least 2 shades darker than me, but look at the coverage. It covered my Angel's Kiss right here and all of that. Really great coverage. I love it. Just ignore the color, like I said. Next, I'm going to try to tame it down a little bit with some concealer. I got 2 concealers. A super pale white one. That is this one right here. This, I mainly use it for my eye primer, but I still sometimes use it as concealer. And then this concealer right here doesn't have the name LA Colors, but it came in a duo with this cream foundation in this package right here. So yeah, I'm going to use this concealer right here and try to tame this down. And like I said, I'm using a lot because I'm trying to tame down the foundation. I normally don't put this much concealer on, but I do put it in these areas right here. And it's creamy, but not like slimy creamy, like the cheapo depot ones that you normally get, but I like it. And there you have it. If you cannot find the duo to this lipstick looking concealer, you could always find this one right here. And like I said, this is not the only color they have. I just happened to grab the lightest one, but yeah, they have this one, and this one is very comfortable to the either the Makeup Revolution one, and the Elf Camo. This is basically their version of the Elf Camo. I love this one. Okay, and now to set all of this, I have two different powders. This one is the they're both the all over face primers. This one's in nude. I can use all over my face. And then I bought this one. This one I bought it at the Dollar General for like $2. You can tell the packaging is different than the one that they sell at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree packaging is a little bit cheaper, but it has a bigger mirror. The one from the Dollar Tree. And then this one I bought it in chestnut, and I like to use this one as my contour, or I'll use this one right here as my contour, which is the LA Colors shimmer bronzer that came from the Dollar Tree in Sun Goddess. This one has a little bit of shimmer, but it doesn't transfer onto your face, at least I don't see it, but on the pan or in the pan I do see a little bit of shimmer. But I usually gravitate to this one, which is a face powder, but the dark one. So I'm going to be using this as my contour and this one as my face powder. Ignore the Cheapo Depot sponge that it comes with. And this brush also came from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. I just like to dab it once and then put it on, because sometimes I do go overboard. Just try to take a little bit at a time. And that's it. Now to the rest of my face. And then for blush, I'm going to use this Kitty one. This one from the Fur collection, or the Kitty collection is the Fabulous one. I love this packaging, super cute. And this is the color I'm going to be using. Look at that, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And then I don't have a highlighter, but I'm thinking of using this eyeshadow right here. I'm going to take the LA Color Trio in Tumbleweed, and I'll be taking this one right here as my highlight. And there you have it. Not that much, just a little bit with one of these fluffy brushes. And I brought this out. I didn't use it today, but this is like my third repurchase of the LA Color Loose Powder, and this is in medium translucent. I love this powder. And yeah, I just wanted to show it to you guys. Honorable mention, even though I didn't use it, but I love it. And yeah, that is my face all done up. What do you guys think? Does it look good? I think it looks perfect. It's super full coverage. And yeah, let me retouch my eyebrow because it's all powdery. But yeah, and now we're going to continue with the eyes. I don't know what to do with the eyes yet, so I brought out a couple of palettes. This palette right here is this quad is called Fashionista. I already have a tutorial with this look. I think it's my previous video from this. I will link it at the end. But yeah, I already did a look with that one, so I'll probably use this quad right here called Queen's Desire. This one right here. So, and then I brought this one out just in case. So yeah, let's see what I come up with. So this is the look that I came up with using this palette right here and this light brown from right here. So this is how I did it. So I'm going to start with my concealer as my eye primer from the bottom of my eyebrows to the lash line, and just smoothing it out like so. And then I'm going to grab this thin angle brush with this vanilla color from this LA Color palette right here, and I'm just gonna put it all under my brow bone. You can also use your face powder for that, but I chose to use this vanilla color. And like I said, I'm just gonna put it all over my brow bone underneath my eyebrow. And then with a fluffy blendy brush like this one, I'm going to grab a light brown, and I'm using this trio right here with this light brown, and I'm gonna apply that color right underneath my brow bone as my transition color, like so. I'm using windshield wiper motions from one end to the other, not being that careful with it, just trying to blend it out a little bit. And then with this pointy pencil brush, I'm going to get the darkest brown from this quad right here, and that I'm going to apply it on my outer V and in my crease. Again, from side to side, all the way in. And then I'm just going back with my fluffy brush and blending that together. Then with a paddle brush like this one, I'm going to get that dark bronzy shimmer color, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid like so. And then I'm just going to flip over that same paddle brush, and I'm going to grab the light shimmer color from that same quad right here and just apply it to the center of my eye. And I'm also going to use that light shimmer in my inner corner just as a highlight. And here I'm just going to go back with my pencil brush in that dark brown and blending everything together. And then going back with my concealer, I'm going to apply it to my bottom lash line, or my bottom lid, as you can tell right here, and just spreading it out. And then grabbing that dark brown and putting it on my lash line, like so. Very carefully. And then I'm going to grab that light brown and blend that into it. Then I'm going to grab the taupey color, the shimmer one, and put it in my inner part of the eye, my inner third, like this, and blending it into the browns. Next, I'm going to grab this liquid eyeliner right here, and it's just like a brush pencil type thing, very thin, and I'm just going to draw on my eyeliner like so, a thin line. And there you have it, this liquid eyeliner. I love it. It's super skinny. That's what it looks like. And then for mascaras, I got these two, volume and length. Or volume and length. I like to put the purple one first. Well, the purple packaging first, and it's a curved one like this. And this is one layer right here. And I don't know why, but this one gives me more volume than this one. But yeah, that's what that one looks like. Makeup powder. There you go. That's what that looks like. I'll let it dry. Put on a layer of this one, let it dry a little bit more, and then put this one back just on the tips. And then I also use this one for my bottom lashes. And I like this little wand right here. It separates any clumps that this one leaves behind. This one separates the lashes really good. This is more of a plasticky wand, and this is more like those typical bristle ones. And yes, this mirror is also from the Dollar Tree. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? That Mexican mascara Prosa. This one reminds me of the Prosa mascara. This one right here. And yes, I do have it. So if you guys want something comparable to that one, Dollar Tree, this purple one from LA Colors. But yeah, that's what it looks like. At this point, you could, oh wait, I'm not done. I need this gel eyeliner by LA Colors, and as you could tell, it's very well loved because it's super tiny. But yeah, I'd like to tightline and do my waterline with this gel liner. I'm not gonna do it on camera because I don't want to freak you guys out. So yeah, let me do this off camera. And there you have it. That's what the eyes look like without any eyelashes. I forgot to buy, well, I couldn't find any of the LA Color eyelashes, so that's just what it looks like with mascara. But to show you what it looks like with lashes, I'm going to get some Ioni lashes, which, like I said, also $1 from Ioni, and this is the Ioni eyelash glue. I just wanted to show you first what it looks like without it. Not bad. It would have looked better if I would have curled my lashes, which I forgot to do. But yeah. Eyelashes. No eyelashes. They both look good, but of course eyelashes look better. And then for the lips, I have these two lip liners. This one is in Natural. And this one is in Beach Babe. Probably use this one. This one's a regular pencil, and this is a retractable one. That's what that looks like. And for lippy, I have another crayon one, lippy crayon in Cutesy. That's what Cutesy looks like, and then I'm gonna blend it again with my lip liner. And yeah, those are the lips. And this is the full face of LA Colors. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys like it, and tell me if you want to see more and more LA Color products, because I do have more. And tell me what other palette you want to see from LA Colors. But yeah, tell me which one do you want to see, which one was your favorite product, and which ones do you recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.